Special Award winners. Thank you so much, ladies. Moving on, let's proceed to the awarding of the Pasigarbo sa Sugbo Festival Queen 2023 Major Winners.
Starting with fourth runner-up, Nadine Faith McCoy, Katungan Festival of the Municipality of Tudela.
And to join them on stage are Mayor Jojo Solante and Vice Mayor Erwin Yu. Miss McCoy will receive 10,000 pesos.
Third runner-up has two winners for this award. Starting with Erica Bianca Quillobe, Hinulawan Festival of Toledo City.
Again, we call on Mayor Joy Perales and Vice Mayor Jay Sigel to join her on stage. Miss Quillobe will receive 15,000 pesos.
And also for third runner-up, Michelle Tao of Obliger, Tagasangan Festival of the Municipality of Boal Boal.
Atong yanyo pagbalik sila si Mayor Titing Cabaron o Vice Mayor Pasos Goni o si Miss Obliger makadawat o 15,000 pesos.
For the second runner-up winner, we also have two winners for this award. Jessadine Thea Alberca, Kapkaban Festival of the City of Carcar.
And to join her on stage, Mayor Patrick Barcenas and Vice Mayor Efren Quijano. She will receive 20,000 pesos.
Our other second runner-up is Ariane Crystal Torres, Panagtagpo Festival of Mancaue City.
Atong yanyo si Mayor Jonas Cortez o Vice Mayor Glenn Verside to join her on stage. Miss Torres will receive 20,000 pesos.
Our first runner-up winner is Jewel Alexi Imahe, Sugat Kamanhawan Festival of the Municipality of Minglanilla.
Again, atong yanyo sila si Mayor Rajiv Inad o Vice Mayor Lani Peña to the stage and Miss Imahe makadawat o 30,000 pesos. And to award them, our runners-up, Board Member Chungki Wano of Congresswoman Daphne Lagor. And now,
Our Pasigarbo sa Sugbo Festival Queen 2023. Pasigarbo sa Sugbo Festival Queen 2023, Mariel Bogert, Dinagat Festival of the Municipality of Cordoba.
and to join her on stage, Mayor Gidoy Suan o Vice Mayor Victor Tago III. She will receive 50,000 pesos. O ang award niya, mga sila si Gobernador Gwen Garcia, Congresswoman Ria Gullias, o Mayor Gungun Hika of Dumanho. Festival Queen, mo ngayon mismo si Gobernador Gwen Garcia. Again, she is Mariel Bogert of the Dinagat Festival of Cordoba. opportunity